Alright, today we're going to be building a keyboard. First, these are the parts we're going to have. It's going to be a GK61 build. This is the PCB. It's a hot swap GK61 RGB. There's also some backlight. This is the wired one, so it does not support Bluetooth. Next we got a wooden case. This one is worn up. It's already been padded with a bit of foam, so I won't be adding more, except from where the battery is meant to go. Next we have the plate and stabilizers. This is just the basic metal plate. I'm not sure what metal it is, but I think it's steel. These are just some stabilizers that have been lubed with dielectric grease and Krytox 205. And there's also the spacebar bit, because these two do not join together. They're meant to go like that, but you know. Alright. First, wait a minute. Next, for switches, we have these lubed Gateron yellows. They've been lubed with Krytox 205. So, yeah, 61 in total, because this is a 60% build. And next, we have Pbt Keycaps, just like these. These are the Pbt Keycaps. They are white and blue. I did not order white and blue ones, but that is because I was shipped the wrong color. And because it comes from China, I am not waiting longer for my actual keycaps to arrive. Alright, the tools we will need is just this. That is all we need. Start with the case. First, for the case, I'm going to fill in this bit for the battery with some foam because, well, sound dampening. Next, we need to get our PCB. It's the GK61 hot swap RGB. Also has some backlighting down here and down here. Go line it up into the case. Okay. Once that is in, you need some screws which are in this glass container. Get a screw. You need to put it in these holes with the little rings around it. And I need to make sure it's lined up, so I will do 4 of them first. The corners. So. Also, if you want, you can use tweezers to just grab them easily. Then you can put it in. This keyboard has a microphone built into it. It's not like the ones that can hear your voice. It's like a thing for your RGB, so when it hears sound, it detects and it outputs RGBs. Okay, I think everything is lined up properly, so I just got to fill in the last screw now. Well, I mean the last two actually. It goes there. I am struggling getting this screw in. Okay. Now for the last screw, so I can even pick it up. Alright, put the things in. Before we do anything, I'm going to plug in the USB-C to make sure everything is actually working. I can even see it. There we go. It's very bright. I think it should all work. I'll unplug it now. Right, next up we need to add in the plate. These are just plate mounted stabilizers which have been lubed. We just gotta put it on and then screw it in. Still wobbly for some reason. Next we get these really small screws. My camera can't zoom properly. First let's do the edges. There are actually more holes than necessary. Like this one won't be used, that one won't be used, so I'm not sure why that is. I'm doing the corners first, just so everything's aligned properly. Alright, I think that's all the corners. Now I just gotta do the rest. Last screw goes here. Right, that is plate PCB in. Next I need, oh yeah, the space bar. It's this. Because I can't really attach it to anything, I'm not sure. I think I shall maybe glue it. I'm not sure actually. I think the switches will be able to hold it in place for the time being. Alright. A bit wobbly, but I'm sure that will be fine. Next, we have our Gateron yellows that I lubed off camera because it takes a very long time. And overall took me 4 hours. So these are the Gateron yellows. They have a 67-gram force, actuates at 2mm, bottoms out at 4mm. First I'm going to put it in for the space bar, so I can hold everything in. It's a little uneven, but I'm sure that's fine. Because this is a hot swap PCB, I will not need to do any soldering at all. which is very good because soldering all these takes a very long time. Right, so now I've just got to put all of these in here, so I'll get started. Okay, I've almost got all of these switches in. Oh, whoops. Okay, last two switches. Alright, that is all of these switches in. It's very nice weighted. I'm gonna quickly test to make sure all of the switches work. Uses USB-C, as you can see. So I'm going to plug it in. It's quite bright. I'm going to open up the software called VIA to make sure that they all work. Okay. Key tester. If I see any unfunctional keys, I do have spare Gateron yellows. Alright, I think all of it works. Yes, it does. Nice. Alright. Now that I know that all of the switches work, I can put on the keycaps. Although I can do this without the reference, I'm just going to have it anyway. Just in case. These Pbt keycaps are not shine through, so after putting all of them on, the RGB will be dimmed by quite a lot. I'm just going to get a bunch. It is quite annoying that the keycaps have blue on it because the colour blue doesn't really fit what I was trying to go for. So it slightly annoyed me that they shipped out the wrong keycaps. Obviously I could get a refund probably, but I'm not bothered to do that because, I mean, it works, I guess, these keycaps. Just bring my microphone closer to hear it. Doesn't sound that great, but I'm sure it's fine. It can do. Oh, I almost put caps lock up here. I am very stupid. Sounds very bad. That too. Control goes here and Alt goes here. Excellent. Go and put in the spacebar for a sound test real quick. This side sounds a bit strange. This side sounds very fucky. This one sounds a bit off for some reason. Not sure why. Is this an O or a 0? Skip that one out. I'm actually not sure. I think it's an O. Wait, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay. R. Okay. All the rest of the keycaps. Open tab key. close key. Alright. I'm not sure why these keys are white, because wouldn't it be better if it's like all blue down the edges? I'm not sure. Let me just get the enter key, the exit key. I don't have that. I'm not sure where it is. That's a little strange. I seem to not have this key. The escape key. That's very strange. Huh. I'm not sure. Okay, I don't seem to have it, so I will leave it for now. I'm not sure where it went. I'm sure I can find it though. These are XDA profile keycaps, so every single key is the same. It's also rounded off a bit, so it like hugs your finger a tiny bit, so that they feel a bit better when typing or gaming. These keycaps are a bit interesting, because as it's seen here, they're meant to be like that, but instead they're like that. So, interesting layout, design, actually. X is the last key. Now I need to find the enter key, which, not enter key, the ESC key, which seems to have disappeared. I cannot find it in my keycaps. I don't know if I'm just blind, but I don't see it. I'm not sure. We do have this key, which technically should go there, but I want the one that is blue and it says X-esque. Okay, I have found it. It was tucked away under my stuff. I could use this, it's an ABS keycap, it's quite big. But I'm going to use this Pbt keycap. This is OEM, this is XDA, just to like show you the difference. Okay. Everything's in. Sounds very decent. I'm going to put the microphone up close to these keys. Do a quick sound test. Sounds quite nice. I'm going to open up a speed test thing so that we can hear what it sounds like. I'll put my microphone just in here. Alright. I'm going to plug it in, of course. Okay. Do a click test. I open multiple mouses. That's not clicking. Okay. Hopefully that sounded good. Oh, I didn't have a full view of the keyboard. Well, yeah, that is the keyboard build. Hope you enjoyed, I guess. Yeah, nice.